Thursday, September 12, 2024. Most Holy Name of Mary. Focus. Condemn not. Luke 6:37. A Salesian nun related how, when she was a young girl attending summer camp, a nurse reacted kindly to her haughty behavior. She experienced a strange feeling of wonderment at how the lady responded to her arrogance with love. It led her to discover a great love within herself, one that loved her just as she was. She realized that love was God, and the understanding changed her life. Each one of us is a mystery, and God, who knows our entire story, who knows when we sit down and when we rise up, who knit us together in our mother's womb, who discerns our every thought, is alone worthy to judge and to condemn, but he favors mercy. The path to conversion often begins with an unmerited experience of love, an act of kindness, a blessing, a prayer. This is the response that Jesus expects us, his disciples, to give in return for hatred, persecution, and betrayal. By not judging or condemning, we work with and not against the Lord in a divine human partnership with his plans of salvation. A generous response benefits us too, as it makes us open to God's undeserved mercy and forgiveness that will be dropped in our lap in our time of greatest need. Fruit. I will keep the most holy name of Mary on my lips and imitate her in random acts of loving kindness, for kindness begets kindness.